Hi, Jeremy Morgan here, and I'm hanging out in my home studio today, and I wanted to show you this. This is the PYLE Mini Hum Eliminator. Now, I haven't had a lot of issues with Hum in my setups, but it has popped up once or twice. So I saw this thing on Amazon for 30 bucks and thought, well, I should get it and try it out, see if it kind of removes some of the hum. Like sometimes my HVAC, I've got a big freezer out in front of me. Some of these things can introduce hums at certain times. So I thought I'd do a very short review because I'm not really sure how you could make a huge video out of this. And for some background, I do voice stuff. I basically do Pluralsight and Udemy courses. So mostly this is centered around voice. I have no idea how it works with musical instruments. And let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it does. You'll be shocked. Okay, here we are with our hum eliminator attached. There's actually like a crap load of hum that this thing has introduced into the lines. Now I have a lot of equipment set up. You know, I've got a DBX 286, I've got a cloud lifter, things like that. So one thing I tried to do was go straight from my microphone. I've got an RE20 here, straight into the Focusrite. And then I put the hum eliminator between those two. Didn't do anything. Same with the cloud lifter, same with everything. It actually just adds hum no matter what. With my setup, you can see it here in Audacity. You can actually see like this bass level line noise. So I don't know about other people's results, but I know that I absolutely will not be using this. Now I've tried a few different configurations. I'm using Mogami cables, mainly because cheap audio cables are just not the way to go. It always introduces problems. So I learned a while back to get Mogami Gold cables, and I haven't had a problem since. But I actually took those off and put a couple of cheap cables on that I bought before, and it did the same thing. Long story short, there was nothing I could do to get the hum out of this thing. So it's basically introducing hum that you're hearing right now, and I have no idea why, so it's going back to Amazon. But I thought I'd share it with people, and leave me some comments if you get something different, if you've had some kind of different result, because I'd love to hear it, or maybe something I'm doing wrong. I mean, basically I'm just going between my microphone and the cloud lifter, or microphone and Focusrite. I've tried several different configurations and nothing seems to really help. It just seems to be making a lot of noise. Awesome, so this is what things sound like without the hum eliminator. Anyway, this is kind of an informal review, just something I thought I'd share with my YouTube fans, and I'm going to share this with some of the other people that I talk about audio stuff with. I'm by no means an audio expert. However, I have figured out how to make things sound halfway decent, and this device kind of seems to work against that. Anyway, if you like my stuff, subscribe.